Hey everyone! So before we get right into the video, I just want to let you know that this is just going to be a short video because I've already done a video of this resort in the past. So if you have not watched that video yet, you can just click on the link here. And I would no longer do a resort tour because I've already covered that. But I will do a room tour on the party wing room because I got this comment recently on my South Wing video that there aren't really a lot of vlogs or videos that covers the party wing rooms. So I'll be showing you that. But this was taken back in March 2023, so I'm not sure if there are any changes since then. Anyway, let's get straight to the room tour. Susan, you want? What guns you want? No running bug food allowed in this area. It's warm.
Yuri.
I'm overheated, can hardly sleep at night, doing crazy dreaming. You're the reason why. Hiding by the baby, losing my mind. Don't try to save me.
Are you sleepy already? But I already ordered pizza. Ibang duka naman. Pizza is here. Pizza is here. Sleepy ng Yuri.
Ice cream right here. Yeah, well. This is fun, Dad. This is my show. Captain Doug Quasar, as the most advanced ship in the galaxy, the Minnow is packed to the gills with all manner of cutting-edge technology.
What did you say? Yes, it's yummy.
Quasar, I'm locked out. I need you to open the ship's door. I'm sorry, Dad.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah.
Did you say goodbye to your friend?
Yes, we didn't find him in the kiddie pool, but he did like when he asked us to come with him in the diving pool.
Oh. Oh.
Breathe slow, baby.